How are we doing? I realized I never really talk in my videos because for 3 reasons. Okay, 3 reasons. I don't know what to say most of the time. It's too loud in the house for me to even talk. My dog Nani and parents up in the front just are crazy sometimes. Nani's barking, playing with her toys and stuff, and it's a lot of noise. And then outside it's just constant. So, but yeah, I'm gonna be talking a little bit more in this video, and probably just in the beginning, I'm honest. I already did my brows and edges, so yeah, not sure what to do with my hair. I might just wear it down, but to just talk about my skin for a second. Okay, I will pop up the thumbnail of the video. I think I mentioned I was gonna do like an updated skincare routine or video, or just a list of products or something. I forgot. I gotta look back at the video. And I think since that video, probably like a day or 2 after that video, I started using the Ladybug skincare line. And I think recently, I've just been using by Tawanda Braxton. I'm using a lot of the stuff, like that comes with a soap, sunscreen, night cream, toner, dark circle cream, that's almost gone for me, and a lot of other stuff. I can't remember if I named everything. I hope so, but I used that a couple days after that video was posted. But just recently, I haven't been using the soap anymore. I've just been using Neutrogena scrub and something else I've been using. I feel moisturizer. That's really it. And I can say one other thing. I stopped using makeup wipes probably like a week ago. Face Halo makeup remover, just pads or something like that. Guess what they're called. And it removes my makeup perfectly. It just lukewarm water, and takes off my makeup. So yeah, I don't want to go back to using makeup wipes. I've heard it's bad for the skin. In that thumbnail, I'll pop it up again so you can do it side by side. But my chin area is still a little dark, but it's just a lot of just dark spots, discoloration just on my chin overall, and I struggle with that. It's by Tree of Life. I have one, but I haven't been using it as often. I need to get back with it. But I think the first time with me using it, look how thick it is, guys. It looks like snot. I'm gonna be honest. It's thick, very thick. So I want to start back using that, but let's get on to the video.
have to say to keep you by my side? How to start in a liquefy? Need you here to tell me that I'll be okay. Married one, loving two, and now it's 3 a.m. Thinking what if it's you and me? At the end, that maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home. Having my own conversations, hoping you will come and save me. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I hope that you're coming back home. Look at you, eyes as soft as that ocean blue. Falling in, learn to swim like I never knew. I see it now, that everything will be okay. With no small doses, smell of roses. Can't get enough of you. Can't wait to love on you. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home. Having my own conversations, hoping you will come and save me. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I hope that you're coming back home. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home.
Okay, so this is my everyday makeup look, full coverage. I like to keep it natural looking. I was gonna put some lashes on. I was like, I'd rather just wear my own. So yeah, this is it. I kind of love how it covers up my dark spots and stuff perfectly. So, but other times I'm like, hey, let it show. But yeah, this is it. Time for a photo shoot and take pictures. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna leave all my social medias down below. This is so cute. And I'll see you next time.